Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a game in Google Slide. So let's go to the browser and open Google Slide. Go to Slides. Choose a blank slide. Now, if you want to make a game, let's choose the game name Jumperman. And here you can how to play or play. Okay, so this will be our first look. The game name is Jumperman, and if you click on this play button, it will start playing. So I'm going second page, or you can customize this page by clicking on any custom theme, but I'm choosing remain this. Secondly, I'm gonna do is removing this, just clicking on backspace, remove this. Okay, now sheet is blank. Now what I'm gonna do is going here, shapes, and choosing this one, rectangles, and making the ground okay. And another thing is choosing this one again, making this sky. So I'm coloring this by going, where's the color? Here it is, ground color S, and this one should be like this color, blue, I mean sky. So now I'm going here, going pictures, search from weight, writing here Jumperman, sorry, not Jumperman, but another thing like Pixel Boy. Choosing this guy, insert image. This looks so big, so I'm making it small and grabbing this guy here. Okay, it's good now. Now what I'm gonna make is some obstacles here. So I'm going back to shapes, choosing rectangles and making obstacles. Sorry, but you can undo this. Okay, here's the obstacles. Here's one obstacle I can make nicely, so making it thin and till big. Okay, so let's color this. You can color this going here, making it black. Okay, the first one is like this. Second, I'm gonna duplicate this picture, just clicking on right button of the mouse and go duplicate slide. And the second slide, I'm gonna make it close like here, again duplicating slide. Third slide, I'm gonna make this thing like this, and the fourth slide, this should be passed away. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna play this game. Let's try this out. This will be like this. Okay, So what I'm gonna do is now going, hold on, so I'm going to here transition, then choose this guy. I'm then adding an animation, choose appear. You can this guy will jump, so fly from top like this, not on click but with previous, or you can choose with click, that's up to you. So the second one is again choosing this guy, add animation, appear, fly from top with previous, you can make it fast. Okay, the third one is again choose this guy, animation, fly from top. For the last one, same. Okay, now let's run this. How you can run this, you have to go here, slideshow, and start from beginning. Jumperman play, just click on this, and if you click on mouse it will start playing. Just clicking the first button, it's coming, and it is this guy is coming from top, I mean it's jumping. Okay, so simple. So guys, this is how you can make a Jumperman game or any game in slideshow or Google Slides. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.